My father once told me, a problem understood is a problem half solved. That's why we surround ourselves only with the right experts. We look at the facts that surround us, explore our market, develop our own products to support our partners. We refine our ideas. Always consider the details. We aim higher and respond to our clients' needs. Imagine. Be creative. We see things from our customers' perspective. Put our prototypes to work. Analyze. Constantly improve. We make our products simple and reliable. Invest in efficiency and deliver our solutions worldwide. That's how dreamers become innovators. Finixa, paint processing products.